For 240 years, the U.S. Navy has been a cornerstone of American security and prosperity, requiring vision, agility, and the capacity to adapt to the challenges of a security environment that is the most complex, fast-paced, and competitive in the world. Naval Supply Systems Command is the leader in Navy supply support, driving readiness, accountability, and lethality, well-positioned to champion the Navy's Title X mission.
It's getting back to those basics of supporting the fleet and that warfighter. NAVSUP's role is that man-trained, equipped Title X responsibility to the fleets to make us ready. What would happen if we had to fight today? We need to win tonight and be ready to fight tomorrow. And that readiness that we're talking about is that tomorrow.
Ensuring success by meeting supply support requirements both organically and through agency partnerships. NAVSUP utilizes world-class data and performance analytics to design and operate tailored solutions for Navy customers. And while other public, private, and government agencies also lend support, only NAVSUP brings it together. Comprehensive integration to meet the Navy's supply chain requirements, supporting more than 23,000 weapon systems and equipment in aircraft, nuclear submarines, ships, and expeditionary forces. Meeting dynamic operating environments with fiscal responsibility. When lag time for P-8 aircraft repairs hurt fleet readiness, NAVSUP's P-8 Logistics Cell brought supply chain stakeholders Boeing, NAVAIR, and NAVSUP weapon systems support together to leverage data solutions and reduce back orders by 25%, achieving a cost avoidance of more than $100 million.
The aviators and aircraft maintainers are absolutely depending on our NAVSUP teammates to streamline the process, to deliver the critical parts we need more quickly, so we can get those jets flying and be prepared to win in combat.
Our customers' mission is our own, providing them holistic best value solutions by integrating our strengths with those of our Navy and non-Navy partners, and establishing partner performance metrics to ensure a job well done. With a $33 billion supply inventory, managed by more than 500,000 military and civilian personnel, NAVSUP oversees one of the most complex industrial sustainment operations in the world. As the Navy increases its capabilities and operational tempo, NAVSUP provides best practices in supply chain management and appropriate technologies. A supply chain integrator, driving collaboration and data sharing between suppliers and customers to improve effectiveness. With world-class analytics, auditability, and digital solutions that fuse information worldwide, what once took weeks of data work is now delivered securely in seconds. Success metrics focused on the customer. Our performance is graded on their successes. And NAVSUP's promise to the next generation, to invest in a culture of excellence and prepare our leaders for the future. With strategies that focus on the operating forces, the organic industrial base, and the PEO program manager, NAVSUP is the customer interface and translator of requirements.
The responsibility as Supply Corps officers, as a Supply Corps family, to get that accountability and get those parts where they need to be when they're supposed to be there. And if we don't understand the entire chain, end to end, factory to the ship, through the training process, through the installation processes, and all the little pieces that go together to make sure we optimize these systems, I think we end up wasting money, and wasting resources, and wasting energy.
NAVSUP is Navy's accountable lead agent for supply support services. This is our niche. This is our responsibility, and we own it.
NAVSUP's vision is to sustain the fleet today, plan for tomorrow, and be ready for sea at all times.